Yeah, basically every Wednesday for maybe, well, depending how long they were doing, so maybe starters or mains, how much time the lads have as well. Every week we'll cook some kind of meal. Mostly they seem to prefer the desserts over the mains, but yeah, they enjoy it all, and it's just nice to see them all having an interest in cooking and being able to look after themselves. I actually started myself at 16 in a hotel and built my way up the line into chefing and trained then a chef to become a chef. And yeah, so then I said pass that on to the lads afterwards. A mix of everything. So we've done like simple stuff, just like soups. We have done a massive variety of mains. But I suppose for me, my perspective was when I went to college, lads where I was living with, they were going, Kev, how do I cook a simple thing like pasta? They couldn't look after themselves. They went fight through 5 years of college living off pot noodle and chocolate bars. Like that was literally what they did. So it's handy that when the lads, they'll have to move out of home at some stage, they're not going to have their mum to cook for them constantly, or if their mum's not at home or their dad's not at home, they can come home, make a proper dinner, and be able to concentrate and do their work afterwards than working on either high on sugar rush or whatever, or just being hungry and waiting for someone else. They can fend for themselves is the main thing that I look for.
I wanted to do cooking because at home there's not really a lot of food being cooked because my parents are often at work or something. So I came here to learn how to cook something, so I didn't have to starve all day.
I figured that it would be a nice skill to learn since I had no experience beforehand. So coming here it's pretty useful.
I've learned how to cook chicken and like not burn it. I've learned that you have to actually put oil on the pan and stuff.
I got the basics learned, like how to prep your food and how to use the grill better.
I think it was the first thing we cooked because we were all doing help around the kitchen. One station was cooking onions, one was doing garlic. And then we all just combined all our skills together and made something really nice to eat.
For me, it would be the desserts, simply because they're desserts, and learning how to make them it's proven out quite fun. So yeah.
I just like cooking, and I do cooking a lot. Now I'm learning how to fry chicken, how to make a chicken fillet roll and wrap.